This time we would like to present a funny booth to try to present the idea that you can, the media for the digital printing can even be funny if you choose in the right way, to try to present some ideas and not just some, you know, white and clear plastic that it's what we are selling in the reality. But we always aim to what they can do, to the project of the designer, so to interior decoration. And this time we had this opportunity to try to, let's say, have a little bit fun even with our work. This show is the first time after FESPA where we are presenting our two completely new media. One is a PVC-free banner that is different from the other on the market because it's possible to weld it back on back, so it's easier to use for the customer, and most of all is full in polypropylene, so it can be recycled without problem, without breaking it or dividing it. And the other media is a ultra new product made in Italy. Is a special textile 100% made of fiber of bamboo. So the textile is made in Italy, the bamboo is not yet made in Italy, okay? But it's completely green because bamboo is the greenest plant that you can find. Is recyclable, compostable, printable in different technology, so very green and very particular product. Is a product for the goal is for the interior decoration, so to have product for that kind of market that is one of the growing in all the countries. Even in the Balkan I found a lot of customer interest in wall decoration and interior design. I'm honestly happy that I have the opportunity to present them here after FESPA, because you know that for me Balkan market is the first one, so it's I'm very happy to be here with that. It's one of the first time that we have the occasion to present to the market the new catalog, that this year is half a magazine, half a catalog, so it's not only a catalog, we call it the specialty. Thanks a lot to all of you, and compliment.